What is up, Unusual? Today, we're going to be talking about how to create your own online Shopify store so you can hopefully set up your own online business. With that said, let's get straight into it. Alright, so one of the first things that you need to do is type in Shopify.com, go to their homepage, and at the place where it says start free trial, you should click that and start your free 14-day trial for Shopify. So once you start your free trial, and you should be able to go to your homepage, which will look like this, but more blank, of course. Now, one of the things that you need with starting your own online store is a domain. Now, a place where I like to get my domain at is called Namecheap. The reason why I like Namecheap so much is because their domains are, of course, very cheap and very affordable. Now, for Namecheap, all you have to do is type in the domain name that you want. Of course, you're gonna have to sign in, and of course, you don't have to pay for the premium. Could pay for the .net, .co, or the other ones, and it would cost you way less, or .org. One I really like to use is .com. So just see all of your options. And then another thing that you have to remember with domains is you have to point it back to your own Shopify store. And the good thing about Shopify is they have a whole page set up showing you how to point your domain properly. So right here on this page, it shows you how to point your domain. So if you go right here after you get your Namecheap domain and read all of this so that you know how to point your domain back to Shopify. It's very easy, but it's just something you have to look at. Now, once you have all that set up, once you have your domain name set up, that means that people could type in that name and come straight to your Shopify store. So one of the first things that I want to look at is products and how to add product. Now, to go to products, you would come on the side, and then you would go where it says product. Here, you'll be able to see all of your product. Over here, I kind of have a lot, but I have a lot that's in draft right now. Right here, you'll be able to see all your active products right now. And the way that you upload products is pretty easy. So this is one of my hoodies. All I would have to do is type in the name of the hoodie. You put the description here, and then later on in this video I'll show you guys how to use variations inside of Canva for product images and all of that. So right here, you just put all your variant right here. Well, if you have variants, you would put it right here, and over here it will show like the different collections that you'll be able to put it in. Now, if you don't have variants, I think it will show like a single product. Let me go to where my single products are at. So yeah, if you don't have variants, like this product, I don't have any variant. It'll just show like a single product. This is a physical product, and you wouldn't click where it says right here. You wouldn't click right here where it says this product has multiple options, like different sizes or colors. The good thing I like about Shopify is that it shows how many of my products are available. So I know like this product is about to sell, about to be out, so I know when to actually go get more product. Another thing with products is that you can add SKU code, a tracking number code. If you want to go that far with your tracking, is something that you can do. And now next, I want to get into discount codes. So right here, these are all of my discounts. All you got to do is click create discount, and you could do either automatic discount, which means that when a customer like buys a certain amount, like maybe they buy $40 worth of clothing, then they get a specific discount. Or you could create a custom discount, which you'll give to people. Like TikTok, I did that discount just for people on TikTok. Like it's custom made for them, so when they use that code, it'll take a percentage off of their stuff. Now there are now I'm gonna get into the meat of this whole thing, which is getting a theme and actually, creating the site and everything. So the theme I like to use is Debut. It's the free theme on Shopify, and some people say that is the best theme for people who are just starting out. Now, there are a lot of paid themes that you could go to. Right here, there's a whole store that you can go to buy themes, and a lot of them are a little bit on the expensive side. Some cost $180, but these themes are really good if you're somebody who's looking for some more in-depth inside of their site, because these themes come with countless other things. And if you see on this side, there's this thing called apps. So I basically have to use a lot of these apps or things that Shopify or my Shopify theme doesn't have. But with a couple of these themes, they put custom things into their theme so that you don't have to download certain apps. So once you actually get into your Shopify store, first thing you need to do, click customize. Now, me personally, I like to customize things so it's more optimized to the phone, because a lot of people are on their devices nowadays. That's just something I like to do. So right here on this side, on the left side, you basically have everything that you need. You could add things. If you click on settings, you can see what colors you would like to use for your site, like the headers, body text, the primary buttons, all of that. I just like using gray. You could choose the type of typography, like which one fits for you, especially your brand. And you could choose different things like the checkout, like you can add a banner to when people actually check out. And another thing, when you're on here, when you click on the left side, you can click add section. Over here you'll see all the things that you can add. So for example, I added an image of text, and I have to click on you'll have to upload an image right here. So this is one of the images that I downloaded already. So I click on this, and since this section is already down here, so on right here, I could add text however I would want. And you can make the header how you would want. You could align it how you would want. You do a lot. And you could also place a button if you want for your image, and it'll go to a different spot. But anyways, that's how you add sections. It's very simple to add a section to your store. It's gonna take, if you're very new to it and you still don't understand, all you have to do is really play around with it. So make sure that at the header top, most stores usually have like some type of slideshow. You could be different. You can add anything, just something that catches people's attention. And here you can add image, any type of image that shows your product or people wearing your product. And you could put like a shop now button. You could put some text. And then right here, there's something that I almost forgot. Here you would click on, to show your products, you would click on add section and then add featured collection. And the way that your products will actually show is that you would have to go back to Shopify and add a collection, and then in that collection you can add certain products. If I was to create a collection right now, I would call it like whatever, and then you can either automate it, but I like to do manual. And then over here you can add different products to that collection. And then once you added all those products, then you just click feature collection, and then as you can see here, you'll be able to change that collection and it'll show on your Shopify store. To get these sizes correct on Shopify, it's a whole nother thing. What I like to do is go to canva.com. I know a lot of people use Canva. Now on Canva, make sure that the size of your photo is 800 by 800 pixels. So I would upload an image, and I'll click on that, and then I'll size it correctly, and I'll download that image. I'll just put it back on my, whether that be products or that be like the main image, which is up here. So I usually size everything out through Canva before I put it inside of my Shopify website. And for another thing I like about Canva is that if you want to create like a banner or something else, I usually use like a YouTube thumbnail. Well, that's what I used the first time for my Shopify banner, that you could create something really nice and sleek very easy. Over here you can use different fonts and different text. I'm just gonna create something. I'm not that good at creating in Canva. You create something really nice, and then maybe you'll like add your product, your actual product right here. It takes me a while to design things inside of Canva because I gotta get a feel for it. But you can design something as simple as this and just download it and make sure it looks way nicer than this, and then download it and put it on your Shopify store. Canva, you could create like a mock-up, like look up mock-ups for your product, and then make sure to put it to download them to Canva. And then you can switch out the text, there's a whole bunch of different fonts that you could choose from. Right now I have like I have the pro version of Canva right now, but even on the free version you could do the same. Yeah, if you want some ideas as well, pretty sure you could type in like online store, and you can see how they did it, or some of the banners that they did. Another thing that I want to talk about is shipping. Shipping is very important. So I'm gonna go to my website. Alright, so if I was to add this product to cart, this is how the shipping would work. I add it to cart, and then I'll go continue, view cart, and then it will go to checkout. And now there are different shipping carriers like PayPal, they got ShopPay, and they got Google Pay as well. And I'll click checkout, or the customer to click checkout. And right here, this will be the shipping page. And once I type in my information and everything, it's going to show all the different shipping carriers. So I'm going to show you how to edit. You'll go here, right here to setting. I have to type in, oh here it is, shipping. And then right here, you will be able to look at all the packages and all the different Shopify shipping methods like DHL, UPS, and USPS. When you click manage rate, you should be able to manage your shipping rates and how much you want them to be. Like for some, I did this thing where I do free shipping. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You click add rate and then add conditions, and then you do like based on order price, and then it'll be like free, and you have to put in the max, the minimum price, and that's how you would do free shipping. Right here it would see, you can see all your rates for the domestic price and then the rest of the world as well, how much you would make it cost. Alright, now that you've created your own online store, the only thing that you need to do now is market it. So the marketing that I like to use is through TikTok, and right now I'm trying to create my own YouTube and expand that as well. But you can also use Instagram, which is what I was using at first. Now TikTok is so good because if you create an online business and you're somebody who likes to show your actual products and you actually like doing what it takes, then TikTok is gonna make you perform better, and you're gonna get a lot of views and a lot of traction. You're gonna get your first couple of orders very quickly. And then with that money from TikTok or Instagram or another app, you can use that to set up like a Facebook ads account, and then that'll help you expand your business even more. Or you can even do TikTok ads, which is on the rise a little bit. So create an account, do some free organic marketing, and then use that money to do paid ads or something else inside of the future, or even pay somebody else to do it. So that was my video on how to create your own online Shopify store. If you guys like this video, make sure to comment down below and subscribe to us for more videos inside